Hi everyone and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and let's get started by singing the Good Morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, do we know what day it is today? Yes, it's Thursday. And guess what? Instead of Cooking Friday, we are having a Cooking Thursday. So today, we have a lovely activity where we will create our own snacks. Yes. So let's find out about our weather for today by singing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, take a look, friends. Yes, it's a little rainy today, right? All right, now let's find out about our shape of the day today. What's our shape of the day? Take a look. Yes, it's a star, a star. A star is a very important shape, especially at Christmas time. There was a star in the sky on the night that Jesus was born to guide the shepherds to where baby Jesus was. Yes, so a star is an important shape. Now, let's find out about the color of the day today. The color of the day today is the color yellow. Yellow is our color of the day. Can you find something at home that's yellow? Very good, friends. Now, let's talk about the number of the day today. The number of the day today is the number 2. Can we count to 2 together? Ready? 1, 2. Very good, friends. Now, we can all find out about our letter of the day. Take a look.
Of the day is the letter K. K for kick. K for kiss. K for key. K.
Yes, don't we enjoy our words? Now that we know that, let's talk about our area of the day. Let's jump in our boat or take a plane and talk about our area of the day today. Our area of the day is Korea. Korea has many beautiful places like palaces that they used to have that you can visit. They wear traditional clothes like the hanbok, and the way to say hello in Korean is annyeong. Annyeong. Wonderful. Now that we know all those important things, let's get into our recipe for today. Yes, you would need just a couple snacks. When I was younger, we used to enjoy buying our snacks and mixing them all together. So for example, you might put some cheese sticks with some chairs and mix it all together and have fun. So for today's activity, you're going to use whatever you have at home, whatever snacks you have. It can be chocolate, it can be popcorn, it can be chips, or whatever you would like to mix together and create a fun snack. Take a look at the recipe for today. Alright, so for today's snack, I'm just making my own personal combination using popcorn. So I'm going to add a little bit of popcorn there. Then I'm going to add one of the small packs of cornflakes. right? Then I'm going to add, I don't have nuts, so I'm using a little bit of pumpkin seeds for my little snack. And of course, I'm going to finish it off, mix it. And then I'm going to finish it off by adding a bit of condensed milk. So I just made my popcorn. I didn't put any salt because I want it to be a sweet sort of snack. And then after I added my 3 spoons, we just mix this so that condensed milk mixes with all the other ingredients. And there we go. That's our snack. Today, friends, we are going to make a party mix snack. Party mix snack is a fun snack you can make to have at home or in a party. Here's what you need: some cereal, nuts, chocolate chips, pretzels, and some oil. Now you're going to put some oil and your chocolate chips in a bowl in the microwave for about 1 minute just to melt the chocolate. Then you're going to pour your chocolate over all the rest of your ingredients and stir it up. And then enjoy your lovely snack. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed your fun snacks and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Don't forget to
We
subscribe.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel.